Hello, in front of me I've got EPOMAKER Galaxy80. In this video I'll show you what kind of switches this keyboard has. The EPOMAKER Feker Galaxy80 has pre-built version of Feker marble white linear switches. Let me show them. These switches can be hot swappable and come with both 3-pin and 5 pins. These are factory looped, light and smooth, designed for creamy sound. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.